Hello everyone. At presently I am going to explain you our unit 4 chapter name is Alice in Wonderland. Alice Adventure in Wonderland, which shortened it to Alice in Wonderland, is an 1864 novel written by English author Lewis Carroll. Alice in Wonderland. One day, Alice was laying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. Suddenly, she saw a white rabbit scamper by. He had a pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." Explanation. One day, when Alice was listening to the story of her sister, she recognized all of a sudden one white big rabbit. She encountered by a white rabbit who was in very much hurry. But she saw white rabbit attentively. He had pink eyes and with a blue coat. While running, he took out his big watch and glanced at it. And then he said to himself that he was late for something. She thought there was something very different about the rabbit. It could talk. It wore a red waistcoat and it carried a watch. Alice wondered, a talking rabbit? A rabbit who wore a waistcoat. Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit. Explanation. If we found unusual things around us, we all behave like Alice, how she did in this story. She shocked when she found a talking rabbit with the red waistcoat. She could not stop herself to explore the uncommon things about the rabbit, so she followed that rabbit. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. The rabbit went down and down and down and down and down in the rabbit hole. Explanation. Alice started following him to disclose uncommon things about the rabbit. She saw the rabbit quickly run and popped. Here the popped means jumped into the large hole. What the rabbit did. Same thing the Alice jumped to. The large hole was deep. She thought it's endless hall and she jumped too. Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth." She wondered, "Will I slip through the earth to the other side?" Explanation. When she dropped herself into the giant hole, she was talking herself that too much loudly, where am I, how much miles she had fallen, and she thought so much. She thought that she might be the center of the earth. That's why she wondered a lot. Confusingly, she said she slipped or getting other side of the earth. Might be. Thump. Alice landed on the piles of dry leaves. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. It disappeared, saying, "Oh, my ears and my whiskers! How late it is getting!" Explanation. Thump. This is the sound of landing of huge thing from the too much height. She landed like this. We are talking about the Alice. She landed on the piles of dry leaves. Pile means as assemblage of things or laid or laying on upon the others things to others. Likewise, pile of paper, piles of books, and pile of leaves here. Continue with the chapter. Then she quickly looked here and there to find out that uncommon rabbit. She saw the rabbit said about himself, "Oh, my ears, my wrinkles, I'm getting late." He was disappeared. All of a sudden, Alice stood up and saw a small door, about 15 inches high. It was too small for her to get through. She saw a glass table with the golden keys on it. She tried the little golden key in the lock, and to her delight, it fitted. Explanation. After landing, she stood up. She found small and tiny door. It was only 15 inches high. It's too small for her to pass into to go other side. Even she found one glass table where their golden keys were laying on, and she picked up and she put into that keyhole, and it was only that lock's key, and it's fitted and it's opened. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. How she longed to be along those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains, but she could not even get her head through the doorway. "Oh, I wish I could become smaller," she exclaimed loudly. Explanation. She quickly opened the door. Because of that, the smallest door, she only peeped or looked into the other side. There was a lovely garden, cool fountains, and she wanted to go there, but she couldn't do it. She was wished that she wanted to become smaller because she wanted to go there and want to see or explore all the things what other side of that door. New words of the chapters. Scamper, run with quickly, light step of fear. Hurried, rushed, popped. Go somewhere for short time without notice. Disappear. Invisible. Whisker, a young protecting hair near the nose of animals. Question answer. Reading is fun. Question 1. While listening to the story, what did Alice see? Answer. Alice saw a white rabbit while she was listening to the story. What was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? Answer. The rabbit that Alice saw had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He could talk like humans. Third question. Where did the rabbit go? The rabbit jumped into the big rabbit hole and went down and down and down. Fourth. How did Alice reach Wonderland? Alice reached Wonderland by following the white rabbit. Question 5. What strange things did Alice see? Answer. Alice saw lovely garden with beds of bright flowers and cool fountains. Question 6. Describe in your own words the garden that Alice saw. Answer. The garden that Alice saw was the most beautiful garden she had ever seen. It had beds of bright flowers and cool fountain. Question 7. Draw the garden of your dream. That's you have to draw it, and these things you have to do it by yourself. Now question 8. Tick right the correct answer. First one, the rabbit had pink eyes. Tick mark. Who was burning with curiosity? Alice. Tick mark. Who fell down and down and down? The rabbit. Tick mark. Who said, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it is getting"? The rabbit. Tick mark. The garden Alice saw was lovely.